What's up? This is Steven with NorCal Screen Print Supply. We got a fun one today. We're doing a 3-color plastisol print on white tees. And the cool thing about this print, it almost feels like water-based. It's got a lot of detail. And we got Matt running production over here. He's going to show you a thing or two about it, so stay tuned.
First step, what are we doing here? Loading shirts, we got our machine programmed, we got 3 screens rocking. We're gonna do 3 swipes on each screen. We're gonna get a nice deposit, running it through a 230 mesh, so it's gonna hold the detail, keep the ink soft, and offer a nice vibrant print at the end, hopefully. So let's see.
All right, so 3-color, well, that much is true. Yellow, pink, purple. We got some writing down here. It doesn't look like English, not sure, but anyway. This print looks amazing. The registration's perfect. There's really high detail in here. Looks awesome. Ink is nice and smooth. It almost has a water-based feel, but this is a plastisol print. I'm digging it. Yeah, I think the fans are gonna like it. I think it's gonna be a hit. Stamp of approval. Went down smooth. When we print pink, purple, yellow, details held.
Great, really happy with the print. You're in Sacramento, check these guys out on the 3rd, Concert in the Park. And come see us for a ROQ demo.
At NorCal Screen Print Supply, we specialize in screen printing supplies, equipment, and advice. If you wanna know how to make prints like this, if you wanna see a ROQ press demonstrated, get a hold of us and make an appointment. Come through, we'd love to show it to you. Check us out on the internet, norcalsps.com, and thanks for watching.